Yo, what's good? This is the session just opened like 3 minutes ago. 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. Let's get it, man. Let's take a trade. We're actually in this very, very nice trend. We actually took not in this broker, but almost all of the brokers showed that we took a daily time frame liquidity that caused this push up. So that means there's so many buyers in the markets right now. As you can see, session open, a lot of volume in the markets. But I'm looking to buy. We got this very nice trend. I want to kind of get like okay, this right here, I kind of missed this trade right here. This would have been an entry for me, but I just literally showed up to the markets. That's 100% my fault. I would have targeted this liquidity. Yeah, that's kind of ass. But regardless, let's just wait for the opportunity. I'm gonna update you. This is just a reminder why you gotta show up to the markets early. Today I didn't follow that freaking rule. So we pretty much just took 4-hour time frame fair value gap, tap into, as you can see right here. That's what's up. And also we have a 1-hour time frame liquidity right there. I don't enter immediately to the downside like most people do. Like a lot of people just see this and want to enter. I want to see an MSS that I've kind of throughout my years of trading figured out to do. It's like a trend continuation to the downside. To actually see, all we have to do is follow the trend, but when we see orders getting filled, we need to see the actual trending to the downside to know that the trend has switched, because that's liquidity, that's orders. That's what filling orders can do. Okay, switch the trend. But also, if it doesn't want to give us that, if it doesn't want to switch a trend, it may just want to continue up like this because there might be more liquidity, which there is above here, that it wants to take instead of actually switching the direction and continuing this massive downtrend that we have in the daily time frame. So man, that's what we're gonna do. Let's just wait for the reaction of the candle of the market. So we're getting some sort of like a retracement from here, from this fair value gap. We are getting respect. But that's not enough though. That's not enough. Because at the end of the day, this may just be a retracement of the uptrend like this and continue up. All right. This is a retracement right here. It's not going to be a retracement until we actually start to trend down, break many times. And that's how we know that it actually is a MSS. But we're going to wait. Just be patient. I'm going to update you guys. Blow my heart. All right. So this is what I usually do, guys. I'm going to be dead honest, bro. Most people think that I just freaking look at the markets like this all the time. If I'm with the call with my students, I'm going to talk to them, teach them at the same time. But today I'm not. When I'm not, I'm just going to watch reels, maybe record some TikToks, Instagram reels. By the way, follow me on Instagram, @edwardcash7. Regardless, what I'm waiting for is literally that respect, okay? Whether are we going to respect from here, break structure again, continue this cycle, I'm going to buy. If it's going to do that, or actually give us the MSS. Let's wait. Guys, we're just continuing this respect to the upside. I'm looking to buy. If we break above here, I'm going to buy the markets right on the money. All right. I just bought the markets on Nasdaq. I'm looking for the price to go up. We got this trend respect constantly. And I'm going to actually target. Since we're in the middle of fair value gap, I'm going to target like 1-to-2 return ratio. And yeah, man, let's see what happens. Let's continue, because there's no respect to the freaking downside from here. We just want to continue up. There might be more. There's more liquidity and all that stuff to be taken. Obviously, let's see. I'm going to target. Let's see. Do have some midway stuff that we could target to. There's this high, but still win the fair value gap. So I'm gonna target 1-to-2 for this time. All right, 1-to-2. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're pumping right now, and we're actually in a good level. Since we're in this fair value gap, I'm going to take now 50% off from this trade. I normally don't like partials. You guys know why I don't like them, but we're in a good level. We're not in the start of this trade, so this is actually not going to hurt the profits. So I took 50% off of the trade, so I'm up like 1.2 bands secured, and I'm going to move the stop loss to break even from here. Yo, all right, there we go, man. W's in the chat, guys. Let's go. So, man, you literally saw that shit live, by the way. You saw that shit live. I don't even usually do it like this. I don't know, maybe I should start to do it like this, but this is just pretty much the trend. Hold on, let me pull the PNL, and there you have it, my boy. Very nice. And I just realized if I just do it like this, I don't necessarily have to do a recap afterwards, because you saw it. Okay, following the trend, fair value gap, no respect, liquidity, no respect. That means there's so many buyers, no respect to the downside. So we're gonna follow the trend to the upside, because the trend is super valid. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Beautiful ass trend, A+ setup. And also this is liquidity that is very valid. And yeah, man, very nice. If you want to learn, if you want to really learn, I'm gonna start uploading a lot of exclusive trading value, trading insights to my free trading Telegram. So make sure to join. If you haven't, by the way, if you joined before, there's a new channel, because I had to kind of forget about the old one because it was a group, not a channel. So join the new Telegram channel from the bio, from the description. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.